please share this message and help anyhow that you can. This young woman that you gonna see in the video, she is talking Haiti by her husband, her Haitian husband. She's not Haitian, she's American, and I guess she went to visit her husband in 2000, or probably went. So she said she learned Haitian Creole. So she said that the husband refused to let her go. So she got stuck in Haiti since 2000, and the man makes sure that she has multiple children. And I truly believe she's in a domestic violence situation, because anyone who understands the concept of abusers, you can tell by the way the lady has fear, but she doesn't want to show it because she's been controlled. And when that Haitian woman who went with cameras trying to free her, and sharing the video on social media, asking her to speak in English so people in the United States can connect with her, and even the U.S. embassy can find a way to bring her home with her children. But the husband asked her to speak in Haitian Creole, so they will not understand. And she was following the husband rule. So from there, I know the lady is in a domestic violence situation. She's been controlled, she's been abused, and she is stuck in this country. Right now in Haiti is very, very hard. People are fighting for their lives because gangs are taking over. So she has a lot of children, and the children, they don't even go to school. You can see the lifestyle is really difficult. And that lady, her name is Luisse Barett. Luisse Barett. She is 42 years old. I'm gonna also attach the video of the lady who is so upset because the Haitian lady the Haitian family who's trying to help her out, but she is upset because she doesn't really understand that the concept of domestic violence. Domestic violence is about control. An abuser, before he even abuse you physically, he abuse you mentally, emotionally. He makes sure that he changes the way that you think. So when somebody been manipulated for that long, it's not easy for them to just live like that. All right. So yes, I sent an email yesterday to the U.S. embassy in Port-au-Prince in Haiti, sharing the situation. But today I got an automatic reply that they no longer accept email. I have to fill out a form on the website. I was going to school, so I couldn't really, and I tried to fill out the form, but the form, they don't give you, not even fill out the form. It's like you subscribe to the email list, and you choose the options right. If it's an American who is in danger, if it's whatever it is. So they don't give you option to put more details. So if you know that lady, you are family Barrett, you know Louise or Luisse, 42 years old. She is stuck in Haiti with a husband who refused to let her go. Her children were born in Haiti, but she's American, so the children, they can come to the United States. They are American too. Find a way to help her out, and if you can share that, the U.S. embassy should probably help her out. As a French citizen, I know if I get stuck anywhere, the French are gonna find a way to bring you home. So the U.S. find a way to bring that lady home, because she needs you now, because she's in a place that is with first of all, Haiti is difficult right now with gangs violence and everything that's going on in the country. It's not safe. Plus a husband who is controlling, and multiple children, they don't go to school. That is crazy. Find a way to share this video and find a way to help her. God will bless you. Have a wonderful night. God bless you.
Pas retirer, c'est réponse que nous bail, moun yo réagir là-dedans. OK? C'est réponse que nous bail. Chérie, moi-même, midi à pas non, moi la gueule, Jean que lié. Maman pas dit vle aller. Maman pas dit vle. Moi gen vidéo à Richard Jean. Nous mettre dans situation non.
Est-ce que vous avez partagé avec vous vidéo ça que madame a publié? Pas partager la vôtre. c'est depuis longtemps. Nous gagnons depuis.
Allô, pas qu'à me descendre, ouais, pas ouais.
C'est ça, nous mettons de l'école, tout ça, on a fait. Depuis nous jouons, nous voyons que nous cabaillons aide.
Oui, n'a pas ça.
Eh bien, pour qui ça lui-même, il va prendre social media pour lui parler, pour lui dire que son l'autre bagaille différent.
Pour dire que c'est sûr que lié, c'est pas vrai. Pour qui ça?
Parce que, et puis, faut moun yo qui a contacté mieux pas ici. Si lui-même, li gon l'autre bagaille différent pour le dire à le monde, et pour le prendre média, parce que moi-même, moi, prends média avec interview me fait pour nous, lui-même la prend média, et puis li pral bail vérité à situation. Parce que bon, Dieu, pas de moun qui pral blâmer life in Haiti. Parce que c'est relève là. Et c'est ou même vin bail là. Et puis, on met qui pour délivrer nous. Et pas acheter poteti tiri pour nous, poteti spaghetti pour nous, pour image nous, mais pour délivrer nous.
Yeah, parce que yeah.
OK?
Parce que nous parlons de l'école.
Si nous-mêmes nous rester dans la situation, moi-même, pas moun qui prend le poteti, ti spaghetti, ti tiri, ti ceci. Vidéo, moi vini là, m'parle. Moi, demande permission pour filmer et ça filmer. C'est ça que nous dit. Si je dis à parole ou changer, ou prêter à parole.
Si nous avons un pour avocat, nous avons un pour